This video is about liver supplements as well as herbs. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a holistic doctor in family practice. I have 6 degrees in my field, and they're all in the natural healthcare space. And I love talking all things natural health. All right. Also, too, if you are interested in looking deeper at your liver health, how to naturally detoxify it in a healthy way, please click the link below. And I'm happy to assess your labs and build a detox program specifically for you. So, what herbs, what supplements? So, first things first, I like to start off with food. So, just a disclaimer before we get to that. Really, I like to get the diet balanced first, 80% healthy, lower fat, higher protein, mid-range carb. That gives us a good foundation stage work. Take out all the food dyes, take out all the additives, take out all the colorings, processed foods, etc. Whole foods diet. You don't have to be, quote unquote plant-based. You don't have to be a vegan or vegetarian. In fact, those diets typically have higher fat content in them. Really, lean meats are fine, etc. Now, next phase is going to be your supplement. So I think everybody should take a B complex, a nice, strong B complex, 50 to 100 milligrams. Of course, check with your doctor, check with your labs, etc. But I've seen it time and time again. We just don't get enough of those. So Bs are very important. They help with so many metabolic processes, including detoxification for the liver. Some other good supplements to help with detoxification, methionine, which is an amino acid. Also, too, we look at some of our antioxidants, such as vitamin C is an antioxidant. It recycles glutathione. Also, too, glutathione as well. I love liposomal delivered glutathione from Quicksilver. I love their brand. I use a lot of their stuff specifically for supporting the liver. So you can also use NAC, which is an antioxidant. You can use ALA, alpha lipoic acid, which I believe is an amino acid as well. And so those are really good things to help support the energy of the liver. That's really what you're doing in the beginning. So you want to get the diet as a foundation. And then from there, really support the energy on the liver to really start to metabolize. And that way the body will naturally start to detoxify. You don't have to force the body to detoxify with like an herb or something. Just by getting the diet foundationally supported and getting some of the nutrients on the liver that the liver needs in order to detoxify, that really is going to help tremendously, and just to get the body to naturally start to detoxify more efficiently. All right, so now that you've got that going, there are some herbs that can be used. I'm always mindful of when I use herbs. I don't just use herbs willy-nilly, mostly because it can pull minerals out of the body. It also interacts with a lot of medications. It's things like that. So I'm really mindful of when I put herbs in. Now, some of the herbs that are really good, obviously, are going to be some of your dandelion root teas. Those are really helpful. Also, too, your milk thistle is a great herb for the liver, definitely helps with oxidative stress and oxidative damage. Turmeric and curcumoids lower inflammation as well. So it's kind of a tertiary benefit to the liver, because naturally when there's toxicity, there's going to be inflammation in the body too. So that can help lower some of that. And even CBD, I don't use CBD often in my practice. It really only has a couple applications, but CBD does have an anti-inflammatory and a mild detoxification component to it as well. So you definitely want to be mindful when you're looking at dosing and things like that. And again, check with the interactions that it has with different medications, because it can have definitely a lot of interactions. So that's just a little list of things that can help. Remember, diet first, then build energy on the liver with supplementation, and then use herbs last. We can talk more about DIM, and we can talk more about all kinds of different binders and different things like that in a later video. But in this one, we'll just talk about the basics. Again, like, share, and subscribe, and tune in to learn more.